हेलो चिल्ड्रेंस, माइंड एक्सरसाइज में आपका स्वागत है। कंस्ट्रक्शंस एक्सरसाइज 11.1 इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गिव द जस्टिफिकेशन ऑफ द कंस्ट्रक्शन। आल्सो क्वेश्चन 1, ड्रॉ ए लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ लेंथ 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. Draw a line segment 7.6 centimeter, AB 7.6 centimeter. Draw a ray locate 13 points A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, A13, AX. Join B A13. Again join C A5. Acute angle. Steps of construction. First, draw a line segment AB of 7.6 centimeter, making an acute angle BAX with AB. Second, locate 13 points on ray AX. 13 equal line segments A1 to A12, A13. Third, join C A5 and B A13. Fourth, C A5 parallel B A13. 5, C divides AB in the ratio 5:8. Now justification. Since CA5 parallel BA13, then A5 by A5 A13 equal to AC by CB by Thales theorem. So AC by CB equal to 5/8. To construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides to the first triangle. Draw a line segment 6 cm. AB equal to 6 cm. A and B as center. Draw an arc 4 cm and 5 cm. Intersect at C. Join AC and BC. Draw a ray making an acute angle A1. Locate 3 points A2, A3 because 3 is greater. Join BA3, A2 parallel BA3. Intersect B dash at AB. B dash parallel BC. Intersect AC at C dash, making an acute angle. Now steps of construction. Steps of construction. First, draw a line segment AB equal to 6 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Taking A and B as center, draw an arc 4 cm and 5 cm radius. Intersect at C. Join AC and BC. Second, draw a ray AX making an acute angle with AB on the opposite side to the vertex C. Third, locate 3 points on the line AX. 4. Join BA3. A2 parallel BA3. Intersect AB at B dash and D dash parallel BC. Intersect AC at C dash. So B dash C dash parallel BC. 5. A B dash C dash is the required triangle Now justification. Since B dash C dash parallel BC, then triangle AB dash C dash similar triangle ABC. Sides are proportional. AC dash by AC equal to AB dash by AB equal to B dash C dash by BC by Thal's theorem. So A2 by A3 equal to 2 by 3. Question 3. Construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Draw a line segment 7 cm, AB equal to 7 cm, A and B as center. Draw an arcs 5 cm and 6 cm radius. Intersect at C. Join AC and BC. Extend AB to D and AC to E. Join DE. Draw a ray making an acute angle with AB. Locate 7 points A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Join DA7 and BA5, making an acute angle 5 cm, 6 cm. Now steps of construction. First, draw a line segment AB equal to 7 cm, taking A and B as center. Draw an arcs 5 cm and 6 cm radius. Intersect at C. Join AC and BC. Extend AB to D and AC to E. Second, draw a ray AX, making an acute angle with AB on the opposite side to the vertex C. Third, locate 7 points on the line AX. Fourth, join DA7 and BA5. DA7 parallel BA5 and DE parallel BC. 5. ADE is the required triangle. Now justification. Since DE parallel BC, triangle ADE similar triangle ABC, sides are proportional. AE by AC equal to AD by AB equal to DE by BC by Thal's theorem. So AA7 by AA5 equal to 7 by 5. Question 4. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 1 whole 1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. Draw a line segment 8 cm AB equal to 8 cm. Draw a perpendicular bisector height 4 cm, intersect C. Join AC and BC. AB extend to D. AC extend to F. E. तो join EF draw a ray opposite side to the vertex F. AX locate 3 points A1, A2, A3. Join EA3 and BA2, making an acute right angle with AB. Now construction. Steps of construction. First, draw a line segment AB equal to 8 centimeter. Draw a perpendicular bisector PQ intersect at D. Height DC is 4 centimeter. Taking A and B as center, draw an arc same radius. Join AC and BC. Second, extend AB to E and AC to F. Join EF. So EF parallel BC. Third, draw a ray AX opposite side to the vertex F. Locate 3 points on the line AX. Fourth, join EA3 and BA2. So EA3 parallel BA2 and EF parallel BC. Fifth, AEF is the required triangle. Now justification. Since EF parallel BC, then triangles are similar. Triangle AEF similar triangle ABC. Sides are proportional. 3/2. AF by AC equal to AE by AB equal to EF by BC by Thal's theorem. So AA3 by AA2 equal to 3/2. 5. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC equal to 6 cm, AB equal to 5 cm and angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Draw a line segment 6 cm. BC equal to 6 cm. Angle ABC equal to 60 degree. AB equal to 5 centimeter. Join AC 5 centimeter. Draw a ray BX. Locate 4 points B1, B2, B3, B4. Join C B4, B3 parallel C B4 intersect BC at C dash parallel AC intersect AB at A dash, making an acute angle with BC. Now steps of construction. First, draw a line segment BC equal to 6 centimeter, AB equal to 5 centimeter, angle B equal to 60 degree. Join AC. Second, draw a ray BX, making an acute angle with BC on the opposite side to the vertex A. Third, locate 4 points on the line BX. Fourth, join CB4, B3 parallel CB4 intersect BC at C dash parallel AC intersect AB at A dash. So A dash C dash parallel AC. Fifth, A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Now justification. Since A dash C dash parallel AC, triangle A dash B C dash similar triangle ABC. Then sides are proportional 3 by 4. A dash B by AB equal to B C dash by BC equal to A dash C dash by AC by Thal's theorem. So A 3 by A 4 equal to 3 by 4. Question 6. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC equal to 7 centimeter, angle B equal to 45 degree, angle A equal to 105 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times are corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Sum of triangles equal to 108. 80 degree. 105 degree plus 45 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle C equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree equal to 30 degree. Draw a line segment 7 centimeter. BC equal to 7 centimeter. Angle B equal to 45 degree. नाइन्टी डिग्री का हाफ 45 डिग्री. एंगल C इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री. सिक्सटी डिग्री का हाफ 30 डिग्री. BC extend at D और AB extend at E. Join D. Draw a ray making an acute angle with BC. Locate 4 points B1, B2, B3, B4. Join D B4 C B3. Now construction steps of construction. First, draw a line segment BC equal to 7 centimeter. Angle A equal to 105 degree. Angle B equal to 45 degree. Angle C equal to 30 degree. Extend BC to D and AB to E. Second, draw a ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the opposite side to the vertex E. Third, locate 4 points on the line BX. Fourth, join DB4 and CB3. So DB4 parallel CB3 and DE parallel AC. 5, EBD is the required triangle. Now justification. Since DE parallel AC, triangle EBD similar triangle ABC. Sides are proportional. EB by AB equal to BD by BC equal to DE by AC by Thales theorem. So A4 by A3 equal to 4 by 3. 7. Draw a right triangle in which the sides are of length 4 cm and 3 cm. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. Draw a line segment 4 cm. AB equal to 4 cm, making angle A equal to 90 degree. degree. A as center, draw an arc 3 cm radius. Intersect at C, join BC, extend AB to D and AC to E. D. Draw a ray AX making an acute angle opposite side to the vertex C. Locate 5 points A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Join DA5 and BA3. making an acute angle now steps of construction. Steps of construction. First, draw a line segment AB equal to 4 centimeter, making angle A equal to 90 degree, taking A as center, draw an arc 3 centimeter radius, join BC 3 centimeter. Second, draw a ray AX, making an acute angle with AB on the opposite side to the vertex C. Third, locate 5 points on the line AX. Fourth, join DA5 and BA3. DA5 parallel BA3 and DE parallel BC. 5. ADE is the required triangle. Now justification. Since DE parallel BC, triangle ADE similar triangle ABC, sides are proportional. AE by AC equal to AD by AB equal to DE by BC by Thales theorem. So AA5 by AA3 equal to 5 by 3. वीडियो यदि पसंद आया हो तो सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें।